One of the most powerful and profound tools that I've ever used throughout my life, which I was taught by my mum back when I was about 10, is the power of self-reflection. So self-reflection is when you take time regularly to look back and go, right, how's things going? How have I performed there? How's my life going? How my family? How my friends? How my business? What's good? What's bad? What can I learn? And to self-reflect, to constantly be thinking about things and trying to improve, not over-analyzing things, just taking some time at the side of the road and going, how's it going? This is a perfect time of year to do that. And people have already kind of started doing this anyway with what's been going on at the end of November when they put up the Christmas decorations. I'd say use short and long-term self-reflection. So try that. If you're already self-reflecting, great. If you've never tried it before, you can start now. But a short-term self-reflection will be over the Christmas period, and you get some pen and paper and you spend a few hours and you just go to town on it and you look at what's gone well this year, you know, what hasn't, what are my plans, and just really do a session. And a lot of people do that. But a long-term self-reflection, which isn't something that's really done as much, and I think is even more beneficial, is when, say, in December, for maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you start to self-reflect and leave it open and ask open-ended questions. Say, how's this year gone? And then you don't try and answer it, you just leave it like as an open thing, and you allow your brain to work on it over 2, 3, 4 weeks, even into January, and you'll get some better reflections, you'll get some deeper reflections, you'll get some moments of insight. So try that today, as well as short-term reflections, having at the end of the week or during Christmas, you go to town and say, how's my life going, right? How's my business? Do a long-term one. Start now and do it over a 3-4 week period. Ask some open-ended questions. What's going well? What isn't? How can we improve this? What am I satisfied with? Where do we need to grow? What's the point of this? Where's our target market going? Add these things together and say, right, I'm going to ask all these questions and then just leave it. And it's incredible how your brain works. Your subconscious starts to work on it and you start to get some deeper reflection. So try that throughout the next few weeks. Short-term self-reflection, but long-term self-reflection. And you can do that every year for the rest of your life.